Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 3, Prose, Being Safe. Prashant lives with his parents in Tiruchirappalli. In the summer, he always visits his grandparents in Negathi, a river island in Tanjavur district. The river Vattar bifurcates into two and merges again and forms this village. So, the village is evergreen with mighty trees and beautiful landscapes. He always spends his vacation here, hanging out with his grandfather and his friends. His grandfather was a retired central government employee, so he has travelled to many parts of India. His knowledge always amuses him. Prashant has just come to his grandparents. This news reaches his friends and they have to take him out for playing. The grandfather is very concerned. He gives some instructions and tips for their safety. Sundar: Good afternoon, Grandpa. Where is Prashant? Grandpa: Good afternoon, children. Ravi: Can we take him out to play in the fields, Grandpa? Grandpa: Of course, children, but you should be very careful while walking in the roads and crossing it. Peter: Yes, Grandpa. Our teacher had taught us the rules of road safety. We always follow them strictly. Grandpa: Good. When you walk on the road, which side of the road should you walk? Jaffer: Grandpa, we should walk on the right hand side against the traffic so that we can see the vehicles coming. Grandpa: Good. I am sure you know how to cross the road. Mani: Yes, Grandpa. We should wait until the road is clear of traffic. We should first look right, left, and then again right before we cross the road. Gandhi: Grandpa, we will also walk in a line, one behind the other, and not in groups. Grandpa: Good. And never use a cell phone while walking on the road. Road safety rules are for our safety. We should follow it strictly. Section 2. Prashant: Hi friends. Murthy: Hi. We have come here to play under the shade of this big neem tree. Grandpa: Yes, kids, you need to be very careful as the sun is scorching. Mani: My mother has instructed me not to roam in sunlight between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. as it is very hot. Grandpa: That is true, but you also need more physical activities. Hence, play safely in the sun. Take breaks by going indoors or moving to places with shade. Sam: Can we put on sunscreen before going out in the sun? Grandpa: Yes, you need to put on sunscreen 15 to 20 minutes before going out to avoid sunburn. Prashant: Grandpa, I am feeling exhausted. Grandpa: Oh, it may be due to the heat. When the body cannot cool itself fast enough, we may get a heat sunstroke. Prashant: How will I know if I am getting a sunstroke? Grandpa: Be sure to tell an adult if you are feeling hot, have headache, feeling giddy, or nauseated. Jaffer: I like to play outdoor games than indoor ones. Grandpa: That's really nice, but the big part of going outside and playing in safe environment comes from knowing how to be street smart. Section 3. Ravi: Could you please tell us the safety measures to practice at home, Grandpa? Grandpa: Sure. We should learn to put things back in their respective places after using them. We should not play with knives, scissors, etc. Ravi: I believe you're getting a call, Grandpa. Here is your mobile phone. Grandpa, thank you, Ravi. I think it is my old friend Raghu. Madam, wow, a nice phone. Ravi, yes, it's the latest one too. Grandpa bought it last week in Chennai. Prashant, I heard it works like a supercomputer. Ravi, yes, of course. It is very useful for my projects too. Grandpa, these mobile phones are very useful, but we should use it with care. You should use it in the presence of an adult. Prashant, tell us about the safety measures while using the internet, Grandpa. Grandpa, make yourself cyber safe by not posting your personal information, photos, vacation plans in the social media. Grandpa, from fertilizers to antifreeze, medicines to makeup set and poisonous items are kept away from the children in our homes. Grandpa, could I have your views on using the medicines effectively? Ravi, I think we should store all medicines out of sight and reach of children. Grandpa, good. Medicines should be kept a locked cabinet. Jaffer, I also think pills and syrups should be kept in their original containers and the leftover pills should always be counted. Grandpa, that's nice idea. Ravi, I get it. Medicine should be stored in their original containers and we should keep account, avoid misused. Grandpa, hazardous automotive and gardening products should be secured and kept locked. Devi, a first aid kit is a must in every household, which should also have an emergency instruction inside it. Grandpa, it is nice to see kids coming up with wonderful ideas. Children, thank you, Grandpa, for your guidance. We shall follow your advice and together protect ourselves from dangers. Grandpa, it is getting late. We can talk more tomorrow. Take care, children. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.